Technical charts on YCharts helps uncover insights and turns them into actionable ideas. Technical charts supports dozens of overlays and oscillators, including moving average and relative strength index, to more advanced indicators such as Bollinger Bands and stochastic oscillators. A variety of chart styles and frequencies are available as well. Simply type in a stock, ETF, or index into the search bar and let the platform do the rest. Analyze your findings using technical charts in interactive mode and make any changes in real time. Leverage a wide range of annotations, including text boxes, shapes, lines, crooked lines, channels, and more, perfect for calling out patterns or drawing attention to a certain area. It's also easy to share findings. You can print or download technical charts as an image, perfect for offline analysis, on-paper markups, or pasting into a slide deck. You can also share technical charts with members on your team, just like with other tools in YCharts. No matter your preferred indicators, chart format, or overall method of analysis, YCharts' technical charts tool has something for every analyst. To try out technical charts for yourself, take advantage of a personalized product demo or start a free trial today.